In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of your Google Drive presentation. We'll explore this task step by step to ensure you can customize your Google Drive interface just the way you like it. First, you'll need to start by heading to your Google Drive homepage. You can easily access this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to https://drive.google.com. Once there, ensure that you're logged in with the correct Google account, as theme settings can vary depending on the account's preferences. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your Google Drive interface. Here you should see a small gear icon. This is your settings icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu where you can make various changes to your Google Drive settings. After clicking the settings icon, a new menu option labeled as Settings will appear. Click on this option to open the main settings menu for your Google Drive. This menu is the hub for various customization options, allowing you to tweak different aspects of Google Drive to suit your personal needs. Within the settings menu, you'll see a tab on the left side labeled Appearance. Click on this to navigate to the section where you can change the visual style of your Google Drive interface. Google Drive offers a few different appearance settings that allow you to adjust the theme according to the lighting and personal preferences. Under the Appearance section, you'll find the option to choose a dark theme. Selecting the dark option will instantly change the appearance of your Google Drive to a darker color palette. This is particularly useful in low light environments or if you prefer a theme that's easier on the eyes during nighttime. If you prefer your Google Drive interface to match the theme used by your device, you can select the device default option. This selection will automatically adjust the Google Drive theme to align with the current theme settings of your device. Once you've made your preferred selection, be it dark or device default, you can return to the main Google Drive homepage. Your selected theme should now be applied to the entire Google Drive interface, giving it a personalized look based on your chosen settings. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly change the theme of your Google Drive presentation, making your working environment more pleasant and visually cohesive. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you wish to switch between themes or adapt to new lighting conditions. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.